SmartCredit Honest Review. Watch before using. SmartCredit is a financial management tool designed for individuals who want to take control of their credit, track their finances, and make smarter decisions about their financial future. In this review, I'll break down its core features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's worth your time and money. First, let's talk about the key features. SmartCredit offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including credit monitoring, identity theft protection, and a unique Money Manager feature. The credit monitoring tool provides regular updates on your credit score, detailed credit reports, and alerts for any changes. It's great for anyone looking to improve or maintain their credit health. What really sets SmartCredit apart is its Action Buttons feature, which allows you to directly communicate with creditors to fix errors, request goodwill adjustments, or negotiate terms. It's a game changer for people who want more control over their credit profile. The Money Manager is another standout. It consolidates all your financial accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, loans, into one dashboard, making budgeting and expense tracking a breeze. You can see where your money is going at a glance and set up alerts to avoid overspending or missed payments. Additionally, SmartCredit includes identity theft protection with monitoring and alerts to help safeguard your personal information. Now, who is this tool for? SmartCredit is ideal for individuals who want a proactive approach to managing their credit and finances. Whether you're rebuilding your credit, aiming to boost your score for a major purchase, or simply want better oversight of your financial life, this platform offers the tools to make it happen. It's also a strong fit for people who want to fix credit report inaccuracies without the hassle of writing letters or hiring costly services. But let's address potential downsides. While SmartCredit is feature-rich, it isn't free. Plans start at around $20 per month, which can be a drawback for those on tight budgets. Additionally, some users might find the interface a bit overwhelming initially, as it packs a lot into one platform. In conclusion, SmartCredit is a powerful financial tool for those serious about improving their credit and managing their finances efficiently. Its unique features like Action Buttons and Money Manager set it apart from competitors, making it worth considering if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. However, it's best for users willing to invest both time and money into maximizing its benefits.